Many people here in Arizona have family in Hawaii or used to live there themselves. A flight from Maui just touched down hours ago at Sky Harbor Airport. ABC 15's Ashley Paredes spoke with some of those on board directly impacted by the fires.
Multiple wildfires in Maui prompting evacuations. Some people flying from the island into Sky Harbor Airport Wednesday, like Kim and David McGill. They used to live in Arizona, but now live in Hawaii.
We started getting evacuation notices, but we were sleeping, so we didn't even look at it because we didn't think it was anything to do with us, but it was for some homes that are about 5 miles from our house.
Their flight to Phoenix coincidentally was pre-planned as part of a longer trip to the East Coast, but that wasn't the case for others.
They were evacuating the lady I sat with on the plane. They knocked on her door at 11:30 last night and said, "You have to go now."
Beth Oliver says she was on the North Shore of Maui visiting her daughter and son-in-law Bobby, who works as a boat captain.
Because of all the people that were going into the water, they called for any ocean vessels to come and help rescue people. So he went out about 3 o'clock this morning to help the Coast Guard rescue.
Beth telling us Bobby was headed to Lahaina by boat, which was difficult due to all of the smoke from the massive flames.
We were all just first in shock and then just devastated. A number of his crew have lost their homes.
The McGills saying 2 of their friends have lost their homes as well, including this one, which was being built. They head back home to Maui in 2 weeks, knowing things will be very different.
It's going to be devastating. I mean, Lahaina town that's one of the reasons why people come to Maui.
But they are helping from afar, letting someone who was stranded stay in their home while they're gone.
Houses and personal things they're nothing as long as you have your life, and I hope they all have their life.
I've also been speaking with an ASU student who is from Maui and just got back from there. She encourages those with upcoming trips to the island to reschedule because of all the limited resources. Also telling us many of the historical sites there are now gone. Javier.
Our hearts are with those folks. Thank you, Ashley.